So let's assume, bam, we get the election results. It's a Clinton victory. So I think a lot of that will tend to have been priced in kind of over time. We may still get a bit of a relief rally, especially given this recent events with the FBI seemingly, I don't know, opening their investigation. Again, it's still all very, very fresh and new. We're not quite sure how it will unfold. But I think what will soon happen is the market will immediately kind of go back to focusing on the Fed, focusing on December 14th, and actually you could actually see kind of risk off. And this could be kind of a combination of, well, Clinton's not really a game changer by any means, and also she has huge plans to raise taxes, not just on an income tax level, but more importantly for the market on a capital gains tax level, and that tends to be priced in very, very early in regards to how kind of the market kind of reacts. So that would probably be my initial take and view kind of from that. That's probably the simpler one. And you would actually also probably have a sell-off in the US dollar. And obviously that certainty being out of the way would be greatly appreciated by the market. Now I think a Trump win is a lot more interesting, not just from a global macro participant from like myself who tend to like vol because volatility creates opportunities. But I think the immediate reaction would be huge risk off, skies falling down, quite a bit of panic, and I actually think it would be actually the contrarian of opportunity to actually be picking up a lot of interesting names, especially on the equity side of things. You'd have a tremendous strengthening of the US dollar because it would be risk off globally. A lot of people would be worried. And treasuries, even though I believe that treasuries would sell off with either candidate, they'd probably sell off that much more with a Trump kind of coming in. And I think that would kind of be the immediate reaction. I think the few maybe exceptions to that could be healthcare. So an ETF like IBB could potentially do very, very well in a Trump victory, as that area and sector has been very, very compressed ever since the infamous kind of Hillary tweet. And obviously things such as golds and the precious metals should also kind of continue to do very well. But generally speaking, it's going to be a long dollar, long precious metals, and risk off positioning on a Trump victory.